I demanded water here. Aquafina, where is my Aquafina?
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, CI.
I'm Val.
And I'm Andrea, and these are your news and announcements for Tuesday, February 4th, 2020. News announcements and activities. Club members, there will be a Raider Fest meeting at lunch in the ASB room on Thursday, February 6th. Know what you're selling and what 3 members will be signed out for Raider Fest.
There will be an EOP financial aid night on Wednesday in the library from 6 to 8 p.m.
The 2019-2020 CIHS library hours are 7:20 a.m. to 4:15 p.m.
Club members, there will be a Raider Fest meeting at lunch in the ASB room on Thursday, February 6th. Know what you're selling and what 3 members will be signed out for Raider Fest.
Attention all clubs, yearbook club photos will be taken today, February 4th. Your advisors have gotten an email with instructions and make sure they sign you up for a time so you can be featured in this year's Raiders log. Also, don't forget to buy your yearbook before it's too late with Mrs. J in the ASB window.
Open house will be on February 13th at 5:30 to 7:30 in the gym. Squads will also be selling food and performing. Now we go to a special message
from cooking class.
Hello, I'm Gerardo Cepeda from the Culinary Crew, and today I'll be showing you how to make some quick and easy sugar cookies. The first step in the recipe is to put this butter and sugar together and start mixing. Last part of this mixing process is we add our flour mixture, which has flour, baking powder, baking soda, some salt, and I believe that's all. So now we just add flour. Here we have vanilla and almond extract, which I will just measure out in this teaspoon right here. The last process of this recipe is rolling the dough into small little balls and rolling them into sugar. We are making sugar cookies. The second to last process is just put them in the oven. Right here. 350 degrees. Set a reheat before you start. Now we wait. Now the last step in this recipe is to enjoy.
Thank you.
The electives fair will take place February 25th during periods 1 through 4.
Hey Raiders, make sure you purchase your Raider discount card at Miss J's window at the student store. It's only $30. Take your ID card to the student store so Miss J can give you the RDC stamp on your ID.
Are you in need of some volunteer hours for class? Join the garden club in the Channel Islands Garden. Learn how to install irrigation, harvest crops, shape rows, and much more.
If interested, join RAR, Raiders for Animal Rights. They meet every Tuesday in room 32 or stop by and talk to Mrs. Adrian.
Now we go to Raiders Motivation.
Quick message for you guys today. Hey, you guys don't always need somebody else. You gotta learn to be okay by yourself. Stop looking for your happiness in someone else and stop depending on someone else for your happiness. Your happiness should come from within. You came into this world by yourself and you were doing just fine before now. You were doing just fine before you met them. Alright, so we're gonna get real deep here. A person should never be your world, but should be an addition to the wonderful and great world you already have, if that makes any sense. Hey, just remember, you're not losing them, they're losing you. So let it go, do you, and quit tripping. It's been Motivation Mind Shift, and I'll see you back tomorrow.
Thank you.
Have fun learning to be successful at work, all by joining Miss Power's Work Experience class. Bring your lunch to room 43 on Mondays and Wednesdays.
Upcoming events: February 8th, Skating Plus fundraiser, 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. February 13th, Renaissance Rally from Period 3 A and B. Open house, 6 p.m. February 14th, Raider Fest minimum day. February 17th through the 21st, winter recess, no school.
Current event: 5 Turkish soldiers and 1 civilian personnel were killed in Syria on Sunday. Turkey's first fatalities as a result of direct confrontation between the countries since the start of Syria's civil war in 2011. Sports on tap: Tuesday, boys soccer home versus Rio Mesa at 5 p.m. Girls soccer at Rio Mesa at 5 p.m. Girls water polo at Rio Mesa at 3 p.m. Girls basketball at Rio Mesa at 7 p.m. Wednesday, boys basketball home versus Rio Mesa at 7 p.m. Thursday, girls water polo at Nordhoff 3:15 p.m. Friday, girls water polo at Wainimi 3:15 p.m.
Bookkeeper news: yearbooks are now $80 and ASB cards are $30. No more senior package or PE packages. All prices will be put back to regular pricing.
Please go to Spreejo.com if you need to let anyone know about bullying, vandalism, or anything that threatens the safety and security of the islands.
Make sure to follow us on Twitter at CIHS Raiders Live to follow up with updates here at the islands.
Do you have any announcements or events you'd like to promote? Email them to cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Please send in your announcements at least 24 hours prior to scheduled broadcast.
That is all your news and announcements for today. Have a great Tuesday, Raiders.